Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a connected app in Salesforce. Creating a connected app in Salesforce isn't just another setup task, it's how you allow external systems to securely talk to your CRM. If you don't understand what you're configuring, you can either break integrations or accidentally create security risks. But when done right, this is what powers APIs, mobile apps, third-party tools, and automation. Start by logging into your Salesforce account. Make sure you have admin or sufficient permissions because this setup won't work without them. In the top right corner, click Settings. From there, click Open Advanced Setup. Why this step matters? This takes you into the full configuration environment where deeper system settings live. Inside the Setup panel, find Apps, then under it, click App Manager. After that, click New External Client App. This option creates a connected app designed for external access. Now you'll see a form with several fields. Let's break them down so you actually understand them. Client App Name. This is the display name of your app. API Name. This is an internal identifier. Distribution State defines who can use the app. Contact Email. Your email for support or communication. Contact Phone, optional but useful for enterprise-level setups. Then you'll enable OAuth settings. OAuth is what allows secure access without sharing passwords. It authenticates users, grants permissions, and issues access tokens. This is the core of your app's security. Once everything is filled in, click Create. What happens next? Salesforce will generate a client ID, generate a client secret, and register your app. To summarize, creating a connected app in Salesforce starts by logging into your account, accessing settings, and opening Advanced Setup. From there, navigating to the Apps section and selecting App Manager allows you to create a new external client app. By entering details such as the app name, API name, distribution state, contact information, and enabling OAuth, you can configure how the app interacts with Salesforce. After clicking Create, Salesforce generates the necessary credentials, allowing secure integration with external systems. This process establishes a secure connection point for APIs, applications, and third-party tools to access Salesforce data. And that's how to create a connected app in Salesforce. This is one of those setups that looks simple, but it's actually the backbone of integrations. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.